You should not be having a hearing right now. And
So
you know
we're
that.
done with the Olympia booth, and we'll see you in a few. Okay. All right. So in the Olympia booth, your name?
Oh, hello.
Yep.
My name is Renee. Renee Gomez is my legal name.
I missed that. Ms. Gomez. Okay. It's Renee Rochelle Gomez?
Yes.
Okay.
Also
And so Ms.
Renee
Alt,
Grace. I'm sorry, what?
or no, Ms. Dutch, you've had a chance to talk? Okay. And now I'm being ordered or handed an order to consider under RCW 1077, Ms. Dutch?
Yes, Your Honor. After speaking with Ms. Gomez, I have concerns and I'm requesting a 1077 at this time. I do need to address count 2 and whether there is probable cause given that that particular charge occurred in the city of Tumwater and not the city of Lacey.
I don't know what's happening, but none of that makes sense to me. I didn't talk to anybody. Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to Ms. Dutch. Do you see the attorney with a scarf around her neck?
Yes, but what she was saying doesn't make sense to me. There's nothing.
Okay.
Nothing I had has anything to do with Lacey, and I'm not sure what conversation she's talking about.
City of Olympia. Maybe I misspoke. It's misspoke. It's the City of Olympia. Let me look at that. Ms. Dutch, what you're referring to.
Okay, my name is Renee Gomez, and I'm also known as Renee Christ, Jesus Christ Reborn. And the reason I'm saying this is because on February 18th, I'm here to remind the Thurston County Superior Court that on February 18th at 9 a.m., I attended a hearing whereby I declared a complete state of emergency, a state of emergency due to a complete state of United States government corruption. I called for a legal citizen's arrest of all of the United States court system, the United States government, and I called for the temporary closure of all U.S. court system courts, beginning from the Supreme Court all the way down to the lower courts. And so this court hearing is actually illegal because there is a citizen's arrest, a legal citizen's arrest that was not taken seriously by the Thurston County Superior Court, but the Department of Justice. The U.S. Department of Justice is drawing up papers because they realize
Ms.
that
Gomez,
they made a mistake.
Let the judge have a moment to read the paperwork.
The judge can speak for herself. And so what I'm saying is that this court hearing is illegal. And so I'm only participating so far as to let you know that you are actually operating illegally. The Department of Justice knows what's going on. So does the U.S. Supreme Court. So does the U.S. Congress, the U.S. military, the FBI, and the CIA. They all know about me, Renee Christ, Jesus Christ Reborn. There has been a massive persecution against me, and so when I have been trying to report crimes of the government through various hearings that I've been to in the last, several months, in regarding to the illegal abduction and illegal restraining order placed upon me because there was an abduction of my children and trafficking of my children involving the Olympia School District, involving the Olympia Police Department, and so here we are at this hearing having to do with the Olympia Police Department, who are my mass rapists. And I don't want to go into the court case whatsoever. What I'm trying to say is that the Department of Justice is drawing up papers because I have called a citizen's arrest on the entire U.S. government. I have called on February 19th.
So, Ms. Gomez, I'm going to interrupt you for a second, and I just need to hear from Ms. Pinkston from the City of Olympia.
This hearing is illegal, and you know this. Nathan Quartercrotch should have called this court closed as of February 19th. And all U.S. attorneys are corrupt because of their affiliation.
I see count number 2 resisting may have occurred in the city of Tumwater when I looked at your police report filed.
Illegal
Something else to know?
Criminal network in the United States government. And so what I'm saying is that all attorneys All attorneys are practicing illegally right now, including you, a district court judge, district court county commissioner.
So,
You are
Ms.
practicing
Hickson,
illegally,
I
and you
find
know this.
probable cause
And
for
so
count
does the US
one, but
Supreme
not
Court.
two. If
You
there's
don't
something
have a
more to
legal
know,
leg
I'd
to
be
stand
happy to
on.
hear.
No, Your Honor,
This is
we'll
an
move to dismiss
illegal.
now.
This is an illegal court case right now
So
happening.
I'm gonna, unfortunately, it's pretty clear Ms. Gomez is having a tough time,
No,
and
you
I
need to hear what
find
I'm
that
saying.
there's
This
a
is
good
an illegal
reason
court
for
case.
the
I made a
RCW
legal citizen's
1077
arrest via a
evaluation,
legal court
and we're
system.
done with Ms. Gomez. We're gonna have another
You're
hearing
ignoring the
in
crimes.
custody
You are
on
literally
May
ignoring the
28th at
crimes.
1:30 for a competency review, and I'm appointing Olympia Public Defense, having found probable cause for count one, but not count two.
There was a legal citizen's arrest made on February 19th, 2026 at 9 a.m. In the Thurston County Superior Courts. This is a legal
Ms.
citizen's
Gomez,
arrest.
we're
You
done
need
for
to
today. We're
reference
gonna
this,
see you in a few
and you need
days.
to understand that
If
you're
you've
operating
got an
illegally.
attorney, he'll come
The
talk to
Department
you.
of Justice knows about this, and they're going to tell you about it. You need to contact them. This is wrong, what you're doing. You're ignoring legal issues here. You should not be having a hearing right now, and
So
you know
we're
that.
done with the Olympia booth, and we'll see you in a few days.
Did you hear what I said?
I did.
I want you to understand what I'm saying. I made a
I
legal
do
citizen's arrest
understand as
via
best
a
I
court of
can.
law.
We're done in Olympia.